Hello my dear friends, I Aishwarya welcome you all to my channel Desi Nari. Today we are going to make this pretty long necklace set which I have made in the combination of fabric, silk thread and shells, which is really giving a very good beach vibe and it's very easy to make. So I hope that you will enjoy the tutorial and will definitely try to make this necklace set at home. If you like this video, do give the thumbs up. And if you are new here on my channel, I request you to subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification. And now let's get started. So the material required is a base. I'm taking this cardboard as a base. Then this is a chain. So it is not a total golden chain, but you can see it is a blackish golden chain. Then this fabric, so I'm taking this designer fabric which has like abstract design, like any design on this. Then thread, shells, earring, necklace hook, jump rings, cutter scissor plier, then Fevibond glue. So first of all we'll cut this base in a triangular form, as that is a triangular form, so I'll cut this one. So we have got our shape, and now I'm taking this fabric, and first I'll measure how much fabric is required and we'll cut that fabric at Okay, so I have cutted this, and now I'm taking this Fevibond glue, and with the help of glue, so I'll apply this glue over here to this side, and then I'm going to stick this fabric. So first I'll apply the glue and then I'm going to stick it. So I'll quickly. So as you can see, I have applied the fabric, and this is how it looks. It has lots of color. We are going to apply a back finishing fabric to this. So I'm taking this fabric, and what we'll do is we'll first apply a glue over here on this. Okay, and now I'm just will simply put this fabric over here on this, and we'll press it gently, firmly, and we'll wait for this to get dry, and then we'll start a further work. So guys, this has dried up, and now I'll quickly cut this. So I have cutted this, and now we are going to make the tassels thread first, and I'm taking this bottle of Fevicol as an instrument to make the whole rounds. So I will make the round over here like this. So I'll quickly make like 50 rounds and we'll come back to you. So guys, I have made this 50 rounds, and now I'll cut this one from here, and then we'll bring this out. And I'm taking one jump ring now, and we'll insert the jump ring in this. And we'll close this. And again, to secure this, we are going to make some knots over here. So just take the jump ring and just make 2-3 knots, and then make knots like this. Okay, so now we are going to cut this one from here. So yeah, with this this tassel is ready, guys, and now we are going to attach it to here, this side. So I'll make a hole here. So we are going to make add 3 tassels. One is middle and 2 is the sideways. So first I'll make attach a tassel in the middle. So I'll just assume a middle, and with the help of safety pin I'm going to make a hole, and we are going to insert this jump ring in this hole. uh, okay, like this. To this side I'm taking this shell, and we'll add this shell in this jump ring, and okay, so yeah, this is how it looks. So this is how it looks like this. Okay, so similarly we have to attach the tassel to these two sides. So I'll quickly add them and I'll come back to you. So guys, I have attached these tassels, and this is how a choker looks like. Now we are going to attach a chain over here. So again I will make hole here with the help of safety pin, and I'll approximately make a hole here. Then I will attach a jump ring first in this. So I have attached the jump ring, and now I'm taking this chain. So I have already cut this in the sides, and now I will insert this one in this jump ring, and then we'll firmly close this one. And so I have attached this, and now to this end we are going to attach this necklace hook. So again I'm taking this jump ring, and I will add this jump ring in this, and then I will add this necklace hook. Okay, then I will firmly close this part. So yeah, this is the process. Those other similarly I'll attach the necklace, the chain to this side. So I'll quickly do that. So guys, I have attached the chain to other side, and I have also attached this jump rings, so that people can easily insert this necklace hook in this. So yeah, this is how our beautiful choker looks like. And for the earrings I followed the same process. That is, I first made a rectangle, and then I attach the tassels, and I just attach a shell in the middle, not to the sideways, and then I attached this earring stud. So yeah, these are our beautiful earrings, and these are our beautiful necklace set. Our necklace is finally ready. We have made this in a very simple way. You can try this for any upcoming festival or wedding season. If you enjoyed this video, do hit the like button. Remember to subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell notification so that you won't miss any update from us. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. See you next time. Until then, this is Aishwarya signing off.